I'm Stacy, and I've got a super buzzworthy plant of the week this week. It is Blue Fortune Agastache, and I am not joking around when I say buzzworthy. There are literally hundreds of bees surrounding me and on this Blue Fortune Agastache. This is why this is the plant of the week. I have never seen a plant that attracts so many bees and pollinators. This is why you have to have it in your garden. You can create your own pollinating oasis in your own backyard with Blue Fortune Agastache as the star. And also the reason I love it is because it is super, super hardy, a really reliable plant, comes back each winter, and it gets these gorgeous 5-inch spike blooms on a really sturdy green stem. And the blooms actually last all through the entire summer. They even have a really kind of nice mint scent to them, so that's just another extra plus in the garden. Not only do they attract bees, but they attract tons of butterflies, and I think it's really great to pair it with other pollinators, and I have a few other buzzworthy pollinators here. This is awesome. This is Lucifer crocosmia, and really brings the hummingbirds. I have this right in my front window, and I can see the hummingbirds coming to this daily. Then we also have, of course, coneflower. You can't forget coneflower, butterflies. Monarch butterflies particularly love coneflower. And then we have this really cute rosy posy agastache, another agastache that you could add with your Blue Fortune agastache. And then I'm a big fan of always having something in bloom in your garden. So as the Blue Fortune agastache starts to pass its bloom, then we've got this neon sedum. You can see it's just starting to bloom. So this will kind of take over, and bees also love this neon sedum. So I love Blue Fortune Agastache. It is one of the best pollinator plants. You need this in your garden. It is bee-utiful for our plant of the week. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.